Here we go, y'all. We got the Pittsburgh Pro flexhead combination wrench, and the only thing that I could think of that I could use this for at the moment. Of course, I got my Mazda 2 to do so, but I'm gonna test this out on the bicycle just to give you a reference point on how this works. And this screw looks a little bit rusted out, but it is what it is. So we're just gonna test this baby out to see if it's worth. I'm gonna be honest with you guys off the rip. I don't like how it's not like stiff. Like it doesn't give, you know, that's tightening. Let's loosen it up first. Loosening it, it's not that bad. Loosening the nut wasn't that bad. Let's see, tightening it up. See, doesn't. See if it. There you go, guys. A little small video review on the Pittsburgh Pro ratcheting flexhead screwdriver wrench. See if I can loosen this. I'm sorry, guys. I'm the only one, and I don't have a video man. It's loosening. It has some power to it. Don't get me wrong. So I paid $20 for this set. It's a 5-piece set. You know what I mean? And this is SAE. But for the most part, I think you're pretty good. Right here. For the most part. And you got the. I don't understand why it's not working. What? I'm not on. Okay, I did it the wrong way. I was in the wrong. I was supposed to go this way for tightening it. I was loosening it the other way. So you could use it to loosen, and then you could use it. To tighten, and this is to loosen. That's what I wanted to see in the video. See if we. I'm sorry, guys. Like I said, I'm the only person here doing this, so I think I would use this part right here to loosen it. Got it in there pretty good. This time I got it in there pretty good, and this nut is starting to strip a little bit. I got that nut in there pretty good. Yep, I got that nut in there pretty good. See if we can loosen it somehow. I'm just doing this for the sake of the video, for you guys can see how good it is. Yes, I need a cameraman, because I need 2 hands to do this. I ain't gonna be able to do this with 1 hand and hold the camera. Nah, I'm not gonna be able to. Let me see if I could do it with the wrench on this side of the wrench again. Hope I'm not tightening it. I think I'm tightening it. I think I was tightening it, guys. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do. Let's do the other side for the sake of the video. Let's do the other side and see how it works. And the other side. I think that's the tighten. Let's see if this side we could loosen it. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this with the camera. Yeah, no,